Hello beautiful people, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Messi Assume. Today I'm doing a video for teeth whitening. This paste I'm gonna be mixing today is your super duper remedy for your teeth whitening. So with me I have lemon. This is a half sliced lemon. I've picked out the seeds in the lemon so it will enable me to have a fine squeeze. And this is my baking soda, a bicarbonate of soda. And this is my toothpaste. This is my regular toothpaste I use. You can use any toothpaste of your choice, but this is what I have in my bathroom. So, and this is your salt. This is salt. So guys, before the video I'm going to show you my before teeth, and I'll show you the after. When I'm done using these pastes, I'll show you the difference. But trust me guys, this will have a long lasting effect. You're supposed to use this paste on your teeth for brushing only twice in 2 months. Twice in 2 months, which means you can do it once in a month, or you can do it once in 2 months, just to not have too much of that in your teeth, so it will not cause damage on your teeth. So I'm going to have a half tablespoon of my toothpaste. So guys, I just need to do a little of this just to show you what's up, just to show you how it's done. This is it. And I'm going to have a pinch of my salt. So this, that's a pinch of my salt. And I'm going to have a bit of baking soda. So I need to use this other spoon just to have a bit of it, so you can see the quantity of this, not too much. You can see it's quite a very small spoon. So I drop this here, and I'm adding my few drops of lemon juice. You can see that. Yeah, so you can see how it's bubbling in there. I'm gonna be mixing this. I think I should use this spoon so I can have a fine paste. After all, I do it yourself, so this is more comfortable for me to mix. I'm gonna go ahead to add more lemon juice, more drops of lemon juice. Okay, so I'm mixing this into a fine paste. Thereafter, I'll be using this to brush my teeth. I just put it on the toothbrush, and there we go, for a white and clean teeth. You can see the paste coming out really good. I want the soda bicarbonate to blend very well. Bicarbonate of soda to dissolve properly. That's it guys. So this is our paste. This is a super duper remedy for your teeth whitening. So I'm gonna go ahead to take some of it on my toothbrush to have a neat brush of my teeth. There we go. Looks like I have a brown teeth, The discoloration was caused when I was young. My mom told me she was always giving me drugs. I don't know, I forgot, I completely forgot the name of the drug, but then the drug actually caused the discoloration on my teeth. You get, because I was always sick. So I think I was already having my permanent teeth, so the drug caused the discoloration already on my teeth. So I have these two brown patches on my teeth. They're like the deep in there, as you can see. So I've been trying this. This is my second time of using this, and trust me guys, the first time I did it, it was really nice, and I waited for about 2 months, and now I'm trying this out. I thought I should just share so that you guys can also probably do it yourself, help yourself out. So guys, this is what I look like. So guys, this is what I look like. So my teeth looks like. So it's not like a magic thing. It's not like a magic thing, like you get everything off at a glance. It's a gradual thing, but then I feel a huge relief on my teeth. I'm feeling a lot of smoothness on that area, especially this teeth. I'm feeling it very smooth on my teeth, and it's a little bit brighter than before. You can see. So guys, that's the end of the video. Bye.